Indiana steals game one.
Good morning,
Halliburton
Grab.
again. Fifth, I think, go ahead shot in his young career, in his budding young career. And I really didn't see this. Well, actually, I mean, natin, Mario, I think when the Pacers were down 13-15, sabi ko kay Mario, I think this is right where they want him. Guys,
Yeah,
we're down.
bro.
Ayusin na natin. Let's play basketball and let's take it seriously. And here we go. They
Bro,
got
no
game
fear.
one. And Graham here, parang na, ano, you don't know what hit you, my friend.
Good morning.
Good morning.
No,
Good morning, Graham.
no.
How are we? How do you feel? How do we feel today, Mr. Esberg? Um,
Panood niyo ba yung Breaking Bad when
Ano?
si Jesse Pinkman was saying, "You can't keep getting away with this.
You can't keep getting away with
Can't keep
this. Yeah,
getting
yeah, I
away."
know that. I watch Breaking Bad. I love Breaking Bad.
This is this is a classic example of do not turn your TV off in the third or fourth quarter.
Especially
I
against
was
Indiana. Graham, we talked about this. Di ba? Pinag-usapan natin to
not
in
against
previous
Indiana,
series.
bro.
uh no, first quarter pa lang niloloko ko na kayo, 'di ba? Time to good night
Oh,
boys.
may
Yan, 'di
resibo
ba?
kami. May resibo kami ni Mario. May
Yes.
resibo kami.
Um
Bro,
I
I was
don't know
driving
how
on
they
the way to Tagaytay, man. Nag-drive ako, sabi ko, lamang pa rin ako kayo. Putik si Graham.
I
GG
don't
sa
know
kay
how they
Graham,
keep
man.
on doing this talaga. Itong
Bro,
I
here it's because of this dude. If A.B. Smith hits a three-pointer, I feel like it's the sign of the times, bro. They were down nine with 3 minutes left, and
Mm.
then Neesmith just hits this corner three, which he probably shouldn't have made. And ayun, and it was basically done from there. And dire-diretso na yun, man.
Bigyan natin ng credit si Obi Toppin, bro. 17 points in 25 minutes. Six
yes.
Pacers scored in double figures in a game wherein they had 24 turnovers against the six of OKC, and yet they still won.
Bro, 18 yan in the first half.
It was 18 in the first half. Actually, Graham, 19 turnovers in the first half
19.
alone.
Wow.
That's both a season high and a playoff high.
Wow. Yeah, that's a record, 'di ba? Inuulit-ulit yan ng
Paulit
ESPN
ni
crew
Mike
that
Breen, yeah, yeah.
it was a record. Bro, I don't know, may magnet ball yung Indiana in the fourth quarter when they're down big.
Mm.
So, it's just there's no scientific way to explain it. There's no way that X's and O's can explain what they're doing. Pero in the end, when they needed to make those shots, the shots fell in. OKC had they had every right to win this game, 'di ba? Indiana will make a
They
run.
had every right to win this game. Tama,
Meron
tama.
They
silang
should
door
have won the game.
slammer.
They should have won the
They
game.
should have won the game. Meron silang door slammer every time, 'di ba? The Pacers closed the third on a strong note, bumawi si SGA, and then meron silang timely buckets. They had 97% chance of
Yeah.
winning the game with I don't know, probably yeah, around 3 minutes to go. They had 97% chance of winning the game and
Bro,
Let me Oh,
alam mo
go
yung sa
go.
dulo, yung nung hawak ni Hali yung bola, alam mo na eh.
Takot-takot lahat. Tahimik, di ba?
Alam mo na eh.
yes,
Tahimik eh.
they've
Alam mo
seen
nang
this movie before.
You felt it. Bro, he could be 1 for 50. I wouldn't give a flying fuck.
tira mo na yan.
Hey,
Basta si
bro.
Halliburton titira.
I was waiting for it. I was like, oh man, Hali has the ball. Oh shucks, Graham,
Have
hold
you
on.
have you guys remembered any player na every series may game winner? Because Hali has
I don't
had
remember. I don't
one
remember any. Hali has
in
so much already. And he's looking
Bro,
young.
but I think like what Nico said cleanly, you have to give credit to Obi Toppin, bro. Man,
Obi Top. Yeah, yeah, yung mga, the supporting
yeah.
cast muna.
And we said this, diba? We said this. Miles Turner has to play basketball this
He
year.
did. He did
And
play
he played
basketball today.
basketball today, bro.
Mhm.
He played absolutely. And if I'm being honest, if you're OKC right now, you shouldn't feel very comfortable because SGA dropped 40 almost, right? He dropped like
Wait.
38, 36.
SGA had 38, 5 and
He
Yeah.
had
3.
38.
Yeah, J-Dub had a bad game. Sige, bigay natin yun.
Chet
But bro,
Holmgren, bro, 6 points, 6 rebounds, 2 for 9.
hey, we're gonna
So,
have some real conversations about Chet soon, guys.
we're gonna have
We're
real.
gonna have some
Yeah.
real conversations about Chet soon. But
Alam niyo
like,
ba, alam niyo ba isa yan sa baon ko nung preview na parang watch out for Chet Holmgren. Gonna
Watch out
be
for
come out moment for him.
Ano titingnan natin? In game 1, ano titingnan natin?
Buti hindi ko
Watch out where?
nilabas
He was in
nung
the
preview.
bench. He
I
was in the
know.
bench.
I was watching out for him on the bench. Don't
On
worry,
the
guys.
bench. Parang
I was
Zayn
watching
Mahmood
out for him
mo.
on the bench.
Parang si Zayn Mahmood mo. Wala akong pinapanood.
That
Hey man,
he was
hey man. At
Batman.
least
Ha?
Zayn,
He was Batman in this league.
Si
he
Batman?
was Batman. He
He
was
was
Batman.
Batman today.
He was Batman today, bro. And like, man, now if you're Indiana, you're happy. If I'm being honest,
Mm.
you weren't supposed to take any of these games in Oklahoma. That was the whole point. Like you were, your whole point was you have to win your two games in Indiana, because you're not gonna
Intelligence.
steal one in Oklahoma. And
I think
guess
that's
what
what
you just
experts said
did?
nga. Experts said na Indiana should forget winning in OKC. Focus lang sila to. And
Mm.
Indiana said, huh? Bingi kami. Hindi
Then
naman
nainig kasi ng basketball gods na magja-jersey Magnolia si Graham pag nanalo na.
Bro,
Pag
I'm
lumagpas ng
really
5
Gusto ko
games,
yan.
sabi
That's
mo na,
what we want.
sabi na, pwede yun ah.
That
actually I'm
sounds
still
amazing.
confident. I'm still confident about OKC in 5, but
You think they win 4 in a
bro.
row?
Oh, I think they
Oh
have the
man.
capability,
Graham,
and
I
it's
would
probably
advance order your Magnolia jersey at this
Oh
point.
man, bro. Ako yung advance order ko na eh.
man.
Si, ambagan kita, Mario. I got you,
Message ko
bro.
na yung supplier ko, sabi ko,
Alam
ipagpapala
mo
na.
ano, the, with all the talk of us Mario being a Hinebra fan, lalo ako, 'di ba? Being accused. Ina yung Pacers will never say die team ng NBA.
So far,
Legit.
they really look
And
like the
I'm
never say
and
die
Bro,
I'm
team.
doubting them.
I like it kasi may sinabi yung commentators kanina na parang sabi nila, this is what Boston fans have been saying. This is what Cleveland fans have been saying.
This is what
You you
Cleveland.
you think it's done, but it ain't done, man.
Those
It ain't
fan bases are
done.
like, oh, welcome to our experience
Yeah,
this
they're
year.
like, oh yeah,
Parang
welcome to the
ipis
show,
kahit apakan mo,
Hindi,
'di
hindi
ba?
na
Hindi
mamamatay.
na mamatay.
bro. Para sa yung alam mo yung lumilipad na ipis, yung kahit ibaygon mo lilipad
Kahit
pa rin
anong
yun.
habulin mo.
Wala.
Legit.
You can't put them away. And right now, game 2 does not matter for Oklahoma City. Like, whatever they do in game 2, wala yan.
Oh
People
yeah,
will
'cause
not give
yeah,
a damn about game 2. You have to get a game in OKC. In Indiana, rather. Sorry. If you're
yeah,
Oklahoma City. Because you lost home court. I
yeah.
believe this team, they've been the best team in the NBA all season long. They've been very good on the road. But man, this is a gut punch. 'Di ba pinag-uusapan natin yung mga panalo ng Indiana on the road are gut punch na they're gonna take the air out of you. Game, 'di ba? Game 1 in New York, game 2 in Cleveland. Man, this team is something else. I'll be happy if they'll win it all, but I can't back down from my pick. I still can't believe it.
Dagdag ko rin to, no? OKC had been 36-1 at home when leading by 15 or more points this season.
Wow.
More on that. The Pacers were down 15 with 9 minutes and 42 left, matching the biggest fourth quarter comeback in a finals game since Dallas came from 15 down to beat Miami on June 2, 2011. The
Again,
coach of
thank
those
you.
Mavericks, Rick Carlisle. The coach of these Pacers, Rick Carlisle. So, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Gusto ko yung mga yung mga random pull mo ng moments that hurt me talaga, because that game was also against LeBron,
against your king, against your goat.
Yeah, so for the third straight day, Nita,
Sinasakta na naman kita.
thank you for bringing something that that does not feel good to be reminded of. But if you fell asleep in the third or fourth, tapos magising mo, nakita mo nanalo Indiana, kala mo si NBA Centel yung nag-tweet
Nag-tweet.
or nag-post di ba? Kasi down 15 in 97% win percentage with 8:58 remaining. Yun yung 96-82 after the Caruso layup eh. You'll feel na wala na to kasi yung walang buhay yung Indiana di ba? in at that point in time. Plus the crowd was
That's when
going
they're the
wild.
best. That's when
That's
they're at
when they
their
their
best.
best. Yung message
Yeah.
namin ni Mario, ito na yun. Down 15 sila. Ito na yun. Ito yung signal na
I
hahabol
loved
na
it.
sila. And yet, they
For me,
did.
dagdag ko lang Gusto ko lang
Yes, yes,
sabihin na
yes.
if Indiana wins game 2, oh man.
Bro,
Graham, I'm sending you my Gcash. You better send that sahod.
Revis jersey. Revis
Oo nga.
jersey. Dapat.
Bro, I can feel it right now. I people were comparing it to the Miami Heat Dallas Mavericks type of um tawag
Series.
doon? Parang series.
Series.
Parang yung sobrang upset type. But bros, I don't think it's that the disparity between Oklahoma and Indiana, I really don't think is as big as that Dallas Miami one. The Dallas Miami one was Dirk against the world, man. This one, I genuinely believe Pascal Siakam and Tyrese Halliburton
Gago
plus,
strength in numbers talaga to. Like, just to
yeah, dude,
bring the
literally.
Warriors here. Like, the
But there
six
aren't
guys,
there
double
aren't too
figures.
many people in that boat, Mario, na nadikit lang yung talent nila. Because
I don't think it's dikit. I think it's more of in terms of numbers, kaya nilang like they can keep up in terms of how many people can play. Yung meaning ko dun. It's not
yeah,
I know Oklahoma is much more talented than OKC. I mean than Indiana. Pero in terms of like the number of people who can contribute, man, we gotta kind of start looking at OKC as maybe seven deep, eight deep, seven deep,
yeah.
six deep. But Indiana, I would argue, is eight deep, nine deep, maybe even.
Well,
So
feel ko
like,
OKC pa rin still 9 deep. They just kinda underperformed lang talaga. Chet kinda disappeared. So
bro, Isaiah
talagang
Joel,
na-expose lang.
yeah. But hey, man, whoever gusto ko lang bring somebody commented on the last video
Na ano.
na na Thomas Bryant is actually a good basketball player. Graham, thoughts? Um,
Well, he played good
He,
again.
he
he
played
played good,
okay. He was okay. And
five
the
points,
three, corner
eight
three. Is it
minutes.
corner three?
Di ba?
Corner
Bro,
three
the
siya.
corner three is all. Yung point namin ni Grim dun is he's good because he's not on the Lakers, guys.
Yeah. Nga pala. It just
That's our
solidifies your
point.
point.
Yeah, we know he's a good basketball player, just not on the Lakers.
Yeah.
So you mean
He had
99% of the NBA players, kapag
Yeah,
wala
that's
sila sa
true.
Lakers, they turn into serviceable guys.
That is true. That is
like
true.
we know he's a good baller. Like guys, believe me, right now, if you're telling me if I put Aaron Nesmith on the Lakers next year, he's gonna be the same player. Fuck no.
No.
Wala
Yeah.
he becomes a Gabe Vincent. He
Yeah,
forgets
he
how to
becomes
play
Gabe Vincent.
basketball.
That is
Yeah,
right. That is
yeah.
right.
That corner three he hit kanina, that's not going in. That's an air ball.
Oh. Although if you look at the box score, -9 si Thomas Bryant, pero yung shot na yun, that's a shot that you'll remember.
That kept them like in the game.
Oh,
Actually,
In the
more on
game,
the
bro.
box
Yeah.
score, no? The Pacers shot 48% from the field. The Thunder, 39%. The Pacers, 56 rebounds. The Thunder, 39. So despite having 25 turnovers, the Pacers were able to make it up in other categories, which, I mean, 17 rebound advantage. I think the way you get more shots is shoot higher than the Thunder. I mean, that's one
They
recipe to counteract the turnovers that you've been committing whole game. So,
I
yun yung
mean, when you make
mga
18 3-pointers
guys
on the
when
road.
you downsize when it becomes small ball versus small ball, I think Indiana has a good advantage there. I don't
they
think
went small ball
anybody
nga.
on
Yeah.
Oklahoma can defend Pascal one-on-one in a small ball setting. Kasi even if he misses, he grabs that offensive rebound more often than not, guys.
Kasi height ang laban ng OKC, di ba? They have
Yeah,
Holmgren and they have
But
Hartenstein.
Chet was
Yun yung
unplayable.
pinaparada
Chet
nila
was
for me,
dahil
unplayable
sa
a
man.
while ago.
Kung ikaw yung OKC, bro, your main thing is that you're taller. Your main thing is that you're bigger. Why are you playing into the Pacers game right now?
Yeah.
Yun. Well, obviously, may part of that is because Chet played a bad game.
Exactly.
And Hartenstein was not the best either. But ayun nga, man, you played exactly into what Indiana wanted. And if we're being completely honest, this should still go Oklahoma's way. Even if Indiana won game one.
They're still favored.
The talent is still on Oklahoma's side. They should still I'm obviously not the biggest favorites. They aren't the mega favorite like Graham said yesterday. But
Right.
like they are still genuine. They genuinely still should be the favorite. Because if you think about it like this, if Tyrese Halliburton misses that shot, we're not
That
talking about Indiana.
that comeback will
It's
not be
nothing.
talked about. That is right.
Yeah, it's nothing. You missed. You missed. You lost the game. Good job. You came back, but you still lost the game. But he made the shot. That's the difference, right? And kudos to it's Coach Rick Carlisle, bro. Yung the trust in his players. I mean, when the
Yeah,
time
Greg
up.
Carlisle talaga in-game adjust.
Yeah,
Pag-uusapan natin to sa preview natin na experience versus I mean the genius also of Mark Dagano of bringing his team here, no. Pero iba pa rin
yeah.
yung I've been here. Iba yung I've been
You
through
know,
this stage before
yeah.
with Rick Carlisle.
And
Bro,
he was never favored, man.
Wala, nobody gave
that's
him the
right.
chance
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Even the Miami series, he was never favored. He was like, nah, dude, you guys can be up 2-1. I don't give a shit. We
Ganun
still
nga yung
think,
conversation.
Yeah,
yeah,
even in these playoffs against Milwaukee in round one, diba, people were saying, oh, mas veteran
Wala
si
na
Dame
agad.
and Giannis, and then of course the underdogs
yeah.
against the Cavs, the Knicks. Rick Carlisle, bro, if he wins this title for the Pacers,
It's crazy.
is he entering top 5 coach of all time
For sure, I
conversations?
think so.
Napakahirap ng dalawang title na makukuha niya.
He got really good titles. I mean,
Because you have
Mavs winning
Pop,
against OKC.
yeah, you have
And then
Pop,
this
you have
one, Indiana. Sorry, Mavs against
Pop.
Heat.
yeah, that's right. So you have Pop, you have Phil
Mm-mm.
Jackson, you have Red Auerbach,
Steve Kerr.
and
You
then
got Spo, though.
Steve Kerr. Kung
Steve
ka ba
Kerr,
isama Steve?
oo. Alam mo, yeah,
Steve
Steve Kerr.
Kerr.
For me, that's
To
4.
handle an ego, bro, you
I
need,
won't. Actually, no, he won't.
I
He
think
won't make it.
underrated yung managing the egos of the Warriors. You forget how
Yeah.
nut job is Draymond Green.
Bro, what do you
Diba?
mean? What egos did he manage? They all hated
Draymond
each other.
Green.
Yeah, but
Exactly. That's
that
the
was it.
point.
He
Yun nga, the
left.
fact that
He left.
yun nga, managing them all throughout these years, pa-champion niya pa rin. Well, that's another point. Next time na yan.
That's why I'm
Pang
saying.
off-season conversation yan.
That's why I'm saying na people are who are saying na si Leo Austria is a bunch of nothing. Bro, ang hirap i-manage ng ego ng San Miguel, ah.
Tama.
Tapos,
agree ako dyan.
napachampion mo na napachampion yung team
Agree
na
ako
yun.
dyan.
But he won't enter kasi if we put Steve Kerr, then we're gonna put Pat Riley. So, he's on the outside looking in
Yeah,
unless
I
we
don't
want to
think
demote Steve Kerr.
I don't think
But if Steve Kerr's out, then he should be in. Sino lang ba yung other in contention, di ba? Si...
Spo.
No,
Yeah.
not Spo.
People still.
Probably si
JJ
si
Redick.
Larry Brown.
JJ Rey.
That's on the horizon, sir.
Not even a Laker fan like this guy could agree for now.
After
Any fan naman. It's only been his first year.
After the three-peat, JJ Redick.
After the
trip.
I
Okay.
get it. When we get a center, he knows it.
The Lakers need a center.
That is right. But man,
So si Mario, pag naging center ng Lakers si Mario, they get the chip.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna
Give it
put Zayn Mahmood on the Lakers, bro.
We got ourselves a three-peat.
Put my boy Zayn on the Lakers.
Bro,
Oh, closing.
this will
Boys.
be
This will
be in game 3 sa Indiana. Just imagine that crowd. This is the closest they would have been to a title. I know they got 2 games on the Lakers in the year 2000, but they have never been in a better position to win an NBA championship than they are right now. Actually, gusto ko nang if OKC is not gonna win in 5, Indiana na lang mag-champion, then go. I'm gonna wear that Magnolia jersey. I'm good with that. I'm fine with that. I live with that mistake that I made.
I mean, you have to be fine with that. It's gonna happen.
Yeah, you have to find it's on video. It's recorded. My fans na nakaabang dyan.
Di man, kanina nung sa car kami. Kasi andun si Mika sa car kanina. We were on the way to Tagaytay. Tapos andun din siya nung nag-record tayo. Tapos sabi niya sa akin kanina, so mag-jersey yung kasama niyo? Sabi ko.
Sa mag-jersey kasama niya? She knows, nakikinig siya. She knows.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
Graham, hindi lang live, susutin mo rin dito sa mga recording,
nakabaligtad, talagang yung pangalan ni Tito Rafi.
Nakabaligtad, Tito Rafi. Tito Raf! Tito Raf!
Oh my God.
Boys, closing statements. Let's do this here. Heading into game 2, what are we looking at? Do we see a blowout? Indiana is plus 11 heading into the game 2. Experts believe that they're gonna get blown out. Do you agree?
They should get blown out.
anything less than a blowout is a disappointment. I feel like anything less than a blowout is a
Yeah.
sign na Indiana might get this in the bag.
Yeah. If OKC don't blow them out kasi, Indiana will just believe na, oh, dude, 2 games on the road, we won one and we could have won the other. They're gonna feel like they're the best team in the league going into Indiana. But then if you blow them out by 45 or 30 or 20 plus, bro, they're gonna be like, I maybe game one was a fluke. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
It's a mind game at this point if you're OKC. Indiana at this point, man, you're just happy you have one. You're good. And as Graham Magnolia supporters, we're happy as well that Indiana already has one.
May agenda kami ni Mario eh. On our side agenda, we're also happy.
Actually,
Mas
wala
masaya kami.
kaming wala kaming pakininiko na nanalo yung Indiana eh. Gusto lang namin yung magsusot ka ng jersey eh.
You're like crazy.
Sakto si Halliburton pa nasa background ni Graham eh, no?
That is
Thanks
right.
Graham for providing the
Look
background
at
for
him.
us.
I agree with you. They have to make a statement na this is just a fluke.
Yeah.
And this could be really a fluke, diba? If in the
Ah,
end, this could really be a fluke if in the end OKC wins convincingly. But they have to make a statement because if you go down 0-2 or if it's tied 1-1 pero not convincing in game 1 or game 2 victory nyo, then you're gonna have doubts entering Indianapolis in game 3. And that's the last thing that you want to have if you're trying to reclaim home court advantage. Again, if OKC won't win it all in 5, then Indiana na lang. I'm happy with that. I'll be happy for Tyrese Halliburton, bro. This guy deserves it, but I'm gonna stand with my pick. OKC,
Sige.
UFC, KFC, Thunder in 5.
Yeah,
Guys,
okay.
dead ass though. I
Ako
wanna
Indian
ask a
7
question.
kami ni Mario. Indian 7
I wanna ask
pa
a
rin
question
ako.
right now. Out of all three of LaMelo, Anthony Edwards, and Tyrese Halliburton, did you really expect Tyrese to be the first to get a championship?
I did kasi I collected his cards way back. So I know na I'm really high on Halliburton. Diba, you know this Mario, in the card
Yeah, I
community.
know you
know
are.
this.
I know
Na
you
ako,
are.
and I'm sure with Graham, what he thought. Kayong dalawa, I don't
Bro,
know where you
I
guys
thought it
are
was
at.
gonna be Ant.
I thought it's Ant. I
I
think
thought it was
it's
gonna be Ant as well.
undisputed. Because James Wiseman got a free ride, diba? To the
Yeah.
championship.
Let's not talk about James Wiseman.
We didn't count him, bro. We don't count him.
Let's just be
Next PBA import. Commissioner's Cup import.
see how
Welcome to the NX Road Warriors, James
See how-
Wiseman.
Yeah! Bolek to Wiseman!
see how it hurts, Nico, to be reminded of some
Nag-champion pa rin kami though. Nag-champion
Yeah,
pa
but-
rin.
sayang yung pick, diba? But Halliburton, I didn't expect him to be the first one closest to a championship. So
Yeah.
they need
I
to
think-
blow them out in game 2.
Yeah, that has to happen or else it's gonna be scary times in the Oklahoma City area. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. This is your favorite three horsemen, Nico with Graham and Mario. We'll see you all next time. Hopefully for game 2, if di tambakan at di boring. Peace!
Adios, amigos.